Make Wellness, co-founded by Justin Prince, introduces precision peptide technology. Based in Salt Lake City, the company merges scientific research with natural compounds to improve human vitality. The Make Wellness leadership team includes talented industry leaders with extensive experience in growing health, wellness, and beauty brands. Make Wellness focuses on enhancing performance and health, offering a fresh perspective on well-being and optimal health. Make Wellness is poised to disrupt the health and wellness industry, offering sophisticated, science-driven nutritional solutions. The company's scientific validation approach involves leading labs to ensure effective health solutions. Make Wellness is revolutionizing personalized wellness, inspiring a global community to live healthier, more empowered lives. Visit makewellness.com to find out more.